Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question where they are given a spiral is made like this. Taking A and B are the centers. Starting with A, they have did one semicircle. So this is one, and next coming this is one. So now we have to take from here to here is one. Next one again from here to here. Next one, this one. So like this, we are having continuous spirals, which we can name it as L1, L2, L3, which can be called semicircle, consecutive semicircle. So I can take here, let L1, L2, L3, L4 be they are consecutive semicircles. So they are consecutive semicircles. Length of each semicircle is nothing but, so we know that length of each semicircle is what? Circumference. Circumference of semicircle is pi r1. So let the radius be, let the radii be r1, r2, r3 respectively. R1, R2, R3 respectively we can take. Now we will go with finding each one. So what is L1? L1 is nothing but pi r1. So we have been also given here the radius of the first one. So R1 is given 0.5 centimeter. R2 is given 1.0 centimeter. R3 1.5. R4 2.0 centimeter. Like this we have 13 consecutive semicircles. So we can easily put this here. This is 0.5. I can say 0.5. This is 22 by 7. 0.5 is 1 by 2. So 11 by 7 is my L1. L2 is pi R2. Pi is 22 by 7. R2 is 1. So 22 by 7 I got L1 and L2. That means we got T1 and T2, which is this. Now I can easily find the rest of the things. D. T1 is nothing but A for me, which is 11 by 7. D is T2 minus T1. 22 by 7 minus 11 by 7. So this is also 11 by 7. D is also 11 by 7. We have to find the total length of the spiral. That means total we have 13 semicircle. That means N is equal to 13. So we take N is equal to 13, apply the formula. Yes, 13. 2 into 11 by 7 plus 13 minus 1, 11 by 7. Two can be taken common factor afterwards. So this is 12 into 11 by 7. So 11 by 7 also can be taken common factor. So if I take 11 by 7, I am left with 2 plus 12 here. So what you are going to have? This, yes, 13 is 13 by 2 into 11 by 7 into 14. So 13 into 11, that means 143. As they are given everything in the centimeter, you can keep the answer in the centimeter and give the final answer. Thus the total length of the semicircle, that is consecutive semicircle, that is the spiral made up. So total length of given spiral is 143 centimeter.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This question says 2200 logs are stacked in the following manner. So total is given 200. They are in the first row we are having 20. Then we are having 19. See 20, 19, 18. This is 18. That means I am having first row 20, second one 19 and 18. We have to find how many logs are there in the top row. Let us find that n here. So we can take A is given to me 20. What is D? D is T2 minus T1, which is 19 minus 20 minus 1. So D is minus 1. So now we will go find the values. Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn we know the value 200, n by 2, 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So now here this is 200 into 2, which is n, 40 minus n plus 1. So 400 is n into 41 minus n. 400 is 41 n minus n square, or n square minus 41 n plus 400 is 0. Just shifting this on the left hand side. Now what we'll just solve this quadratic equation here. 400, go with the factorization. If I take 5 5s are 25, 2 I am left, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. If I add them, I'll get 41. We want negative, so I'll put negative for both of them. Taking n common, here minus 16. This is 400, sorry, not 40, 400. N minus 25, n minus 16, which is equal to 0. Now either n minus 25 is 0 or n minus 16 is 0. So n is equal to 25 or n is equal to 16. But we have to find which one is the answer. So now here, if n is equal to 16, then what will be my Tn? A value, we know 20, B was minus 1 and T16 is nothing but A plus 15D. 20 plus 15 into minus 1. So T16 is 5 logs. That means the top one, if it is 16th row, it will have 5 logs. Let us find 25 in the same way. Suppose if this is 25. 25 minus 1 here. So we will have 24D, which is minus 1. 20 minus 24 minus 24. So T25 is minus 24, which is not possible because number of logs cannot be negative. So we can say so T25 is minus 4, therefore N25 is not possible because number of logs cannot be negative. Therefore, T16 is 5 is my answer. So we can say 200 logs are placed in 16 rows. So my final answer is 200 logs are placed in 16 rows, and in the top row there are 5 logs. So this will be your answer.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.